Hi everybody, welcome to Water Attack. This is my brand new page that I'm setting up to do some pressure washing so we can get out there and wash some houses for free. It's a passion project that I've been wanting to start for quite a while, as I was a painter by trade for 16 years and realised washing is my true passion and I love doing it. This here was one of my neighbours' houses. They didn't even realise their driveway was dirty, so we went in there and soaked it up with some soap and stuff to loosen up all the dirt and grime, and we were just we washed it up and it come up like brand new, and they were really happy. So then we decided to move towards the footpaths, and I cleaned up the footpaths at the same time. So this is just me, we're out in the rain here washing down the driveway, getting it all ready. Once we wash it, we give it a rinse down to get rid of all the dirt and grime, because if you let it soak and the sun gets on it and dries it out, it'll really stain and you'll have to re-wash the driveway. You can see that water coming off, it's quite filthy. But yeah, this is a YouTube channel, so if you like and subscribe, we're going to be putting, I'm going to be trying to get one video a week on here for now until it grows a little bit more, and then we try and do a bit more, see how it come across. And redid that section there. It's just the pebbles are a bit harder to clean than flat concrete. So here we are, we're going to do the pathway. I always like doing the pathway in the house. It just really elevates the house, and the pathways are normally really dirty and slippery for people. So I'm sorry about the shoes. I was in the rain, so I had my duck shoes on. But yeah, sit back, enjoy. If you can give me a like and subscribe, to tell me that or put a comment down below, something you'd like to see, let me know, and I'll get some more videos out there very soon. I will read all your comments when they come through. Thank you very much.